So welcome back to the channel. In this video we'll cover this amazing lab. So simply click on start lab, and if you want to enable this yellow check my progress bar, check the video description. Now wait for the lab to get started and simply open the Cloud Console incognito window. Now once the console is fully open, you have to just on the search box type BigQuery, or if it is visible just click on it. Now once it is open, just come to task number 1. From here just copy the dataset name, that is the e-commerce. Copy it carefully and just update it over here. Wait for it to open. Now once it is open, just click on these three dots, create dataset, paste the name over here and just click on create. As you can see, they have not mentioned anything, so we have to just create the dataset directly. Now what we'll be doing, we have to just create the table. So for that, come over here, click on this untitled query, paste it and run it like this. So it will take some time, so wait for it. You can see the query has been completed. Now we have to just run the query one by one. Okay, so just run the second query. Just check the score. So if you're not getting the score, just rerun the query above also. So finally, these two queries we have completed. Now we'll check the score. You can see we got the score. Now just run this third query. After that, copy the next query here, replace it. Then again use the third query if you get this kind of error. This is also done. Now final query we have to run. This is also successfully completed. Now just check the score. Now we have to run the fourth task query. So just run it one by one. You have to replace it. Select the second query to insert the tables. Now just run this. This is also done. Okay. Now just check the score. So finally we have completed the lab. If you have any query, you can let me in the comment section. Do like the video and subscribe the channel. Have a great day ahead.